How to use ChatGPT to write an article. If you're looking to use ChatGPT to write an article and it's not doing it according to your demand, or you just don't know how to generate an whole article using ChatGPT, here's what you can do. Just follow these steps. I will show you guys in this video. The first thing that we want to do is we'll head over to ChatGPT and we can ask ChatGPT. Here I have asked ChatGPT to generate a detailed prompt for writing a article. And just like that, we can go and hit this button and it will go and generate a professional prompt and it will type in the details that it will include in that article. And here we will insert our topic, and this is the structure and content guidelines, conclusion, tone and style, everything that it's going to include in the article. And now that we have our professional prompt, we can modify it according to what we need or not. And here we can go. Let me just give you an example. And now here it will generate a sample article according to this prompt. And as you guys can see, it has started to generate that article according to that prompt, and it has done a quite good job. You can go and increase the length, everything of every paragraph according to what you need. And that's how easy you can go and do it for yourself as well. That's how easy it is. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.